Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your side hustle income for investing with QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your side hustle income for investing with QuickBooks, ensure you have a QuickBooks account set up. Log in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. From the dashboard, navigate to the income section to view your revenue sources. Select Add Income to input any new transactions related to your side hustle. Fill in the necessary details such as date, amount, and category of income. Save the transaction to ensure it reflects accurately in your records. Next, go to the Reports section on the left-hand menu. Select Custom Reports to create a report tailored to your income needs. Choose the time frame that covers your side hustle income, such as monthly or quarterly. Generate the report to get a clear view of your earnings. Once your report is ready, export it to a PDF or Excel format for easy access. To back up your income data, go to Settings in the top right corner. Select Backups from the drop-down menu. Choose the option to back up your company file, ensuring you select a reliable location for saving the backup. Confirm the backup process and wait for it to complete. It's advisable to back up your data regularly to maintain a secure record. To further protect your income, consider setting up a cloud storage solution for your QuickBooks files. Once your data is backed up, you can begin strategizing how to invest your income effectively. Utilize your QuickBooks Insights to track your expenses and identify areas for financial growth. Regularly update your income and expense records to keep your investment strategy aligned with your side hustle progress. Stay informed about investment opportunities that align with your earnings and business goals. Continuously evaluate and adjust your backup strategy to ensure all financial data is secured effectively. By following these steps, you'll create a robust backup of your side hustle income, priming it for future investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.